dermal fillers have gotten a lot of attention in recent years, thanks to their promise to diminish facial lines and to restore some volume and fullness, I guess, to how your face looks. So, Doctor, let's talk again about dermal fillers, what they are and kind of what they can do for us.
Well, let me just go back 1 second about with our actual aging process. It's really based on genetics as well as environmental influences. And then, as you see, after you're 30, you start noticing you get a little bit more narrow, and you've lost your support. So you're not only losing your collagen, but you're also losing your fat, the bones, and the muscles start to shrink and become more narrow. And then there's no support of the skin, so you start to fall.
Oh, okay.
So in the morning, what you do is you wake up and go, if I could just do this, I would look great. So and we have fillers now to fill not just the lines here, but we have them to replace volume. And we replace the volume where the bone and the fat have started to diminish, and to support your skin back up to kind of where it was before. In addition to taking care of the superficial aspects of the skin, that's where you have the little areas of the collagen where it's causing the little fine lines and the pigmentation changes.
Okay, and as you just mentioned, you do have these different fillers that can help with different things that people might have noticed in your skin, as you mentioned. You just mentioned something about enhancing shallow contours, also softening facial creases and wrinkles. Also, and we have another graphic kind of, again, showing what some of these things can do. Plumping up thin lips, improving the appearance of recessed scars, which I guess people who might have had acne can also suffer from, correct, Doctor? And reconstructing contour deformities in the face, and decreasing or removing the shadow of your lower lid. So we can do all this with some help of fillers.
Yes, and it's a strategic placement of product and knowing which product goes where. Each product has its own personality in a way. Certain products are a little thicker and more robust, and they have more structure. And then you would add something on top of that to be a little bit thinner and a little bit more with movement of our mouths or facial expressions.